Hi friends, in this video I will explain definition of HDLC and types of transfer modes for 5 marks. So HDLC means high level data link control is a bit oriented protocol for communication over point to point and multi-point links. So it implements the automated repeat request mechanism. So and then with respect to the configuration modes or transfer modes, HDLC provides two common transfer modes that can be used in different configurations. So first it is a normal response mode, shortly known as the NRM, and the second one which is going to indicating asynchronous balanced mode, ABM. So in the normal response mode, the station configuration is unbalanced. We have one primary station and multiple secondary stations. So in this, the request and then response both are equally responsible. Here the primary stations and then secondary stations are present. Here the balancing it is not done. A primary station can send a commands and a secondary station can only respond. It is fixed. The primary station only sends a commands, that's it, and the secondary station it is only to respond. So or we can say it as one-way communication. So the NRM is used for both point to point and multi-point links. So the first diagram which is going to shows point to point communications. So in this the links, the primary station it has been sending a command to the secondary station, right? It is one node and then another node, there is a point to point or maybe one to one nodes are present, and then the secondary node it is going to sending a response to the primary, and then this multi-point the primary station is going to responsible for only sending the commands, and the secondary stations which is going to only to respond. Here two the secondary stations are present or maybe links are present which are going to sending a response. So because the unidirectional transfer or maybe with respect to the differentiation of primary station and then the secondary station, which will be having some drawbacks are present. So to overcome that one, we are going to discussing the concept of asynchronous balanced mode. In an asynchronous balanced mode, the configuration is balanced. The link is point to point and each station can function as primary and secondary. Here both are equally responsible to perform onto the primary station as well as the secondary station. Within this the bidirectional data transfers are present. So here the one node or one station which may act as a both primary and secondary, and then both the stations are responsible for sending a commands and then receiving a response or maybe receiving sending a responses. Thank you.